Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Spinfinity Spinner is probably one of the most captivating and serene additions you can make to your outdoor space, transforming a simple breeze into a mesmerizing dance of color and motion, offering not just visual appeal but also a tranquil focal point that enhances the ambience of any garden, patio, or yard with its elegant design and dynamic display. Number 5. Solar Wind Spinner LED Glass Ball. Introducing our stunning Solar Wind Spinner. It features a solid metal construction with a weather-resistant bronze powder coat finish, ensuring it lasts for years to come. This piece adds an antique and charming touch to any outdoor space. This beautiful ornament is entirely solar-powered, harnessing sunlight during the day. At night, its integrated LED light provides a captivating, color-changing display. It's an energy-saving way to illuminate your garden. Watch as its two tiers of gracefully spinning blades create a stunning visual. A crackle glass ball sits at its center, offering jewel-tone colors for up to 8 hours. During the day, enjoy its dynamic movement as the sun powers it. As dusk falls, its LED light comes alive, transforming your yard with an ambient, color-changing glow. This creates a fantastic show from every angle. It truly brings your garden to life after dark. With 8 blades rotating in opposite directions, it brings unique beauty to your yard. Standing 75 inches tall, it's perfectly sized for any garden or lawn. Simply stake it into the ground for extra stability. Assembly is incredibly easy with clear instructions provided. Just place it in your desired spot and enjoy the charming view day and night. It also makes a wonderful and unique gift for any garden enthusiast. What we like? This spinner brings a magical glow to your garden after dark. Its solar-powered LED lights create a stunning color-changing display. If you are looking for a captivating focal point that lights up your evenings without extra energy costs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Hanging Black Rotating Motor. Transform your outdoor space with this innovative rotating motor. It's designed to add dynamic movement to your favorite hanging decorations, making them truly captivating. Measuring approximately 19 by 4.6 centimeters, this compact device fits seamlessly into your daily decor needs. Its proper size ensures it's never obtrusive, yet always effective. Crafted from durable plastic, it resists deformation and can securely hold up to 4 pounds. This ensures your cherished wind sculptures and spinners are displayed safely and beautifully. Simply insert a D battery, not included, to activate its smooth rotation at about 30 revolutions per minute. It keeps your ornaments gracefully spinning, even on the calmest days, creating a mesmerizing display. Its multi-purpose design allows you to hang various decorations like windsocks, chimes, and spinners. Use it to enhance your garden, lawn, porch, or any area needing a touch of elegance. Featuring a convenient hanger at the top and a secure clip at the bottom, it's incredibly easy to use and operate. Its classic black color also adds a sophisticated touch to any setting. What we like? This handy motor ensures your hanging decorations spin continuously, even on calm days. It provides a steady 30 revolutions per minute rotation for optimal display. If you want to guarantee constant movement for your wind chimes or spinners, this accessory is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Butterfly Wind Spinner 12-inch. Discover a stunning addition to any garden or patio. This beautiful wind spinner brings a touch of elegance and movement to your outdoor living areas. It's designed to captivate and charm all who see it. Searching for a unique present? This makes an exquisite gift for women, moms, grandmas, or girls. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, weddings, or any special occasion. Made from sturdy stainless steel with laser cutting technology, it forms a vivid, flexible shape. Each one is hand-painted with an epoxy protective coating and sparkle powder, ensuring it resists weather and rust. Its frosted paint finish gives off a sparkling glow as it spins, creating a dynamic visual. The unique design combines a meaningful animal pattern with a captivating 3D streamer effect. Setting it up is simple and safe. A pair of gloves is even included to protect your hands. This spinner arrives flat but easily twists into a vibrant 3D sculpture, ready to adorn your space. Constructed from thick, durable steel, it's designed to be robust. Even in heavy winds, this metal sculpture will maintain its beautiful shape and integrity, providing long-lasting enjoyment. What we like? This beautiful piece features a vibrant 3D butterfly design, meticulously hand-painted for a unique look. Its durable construction ensures it stands up to the elements. If you like charming, artistic garden decor that makes a thoughtful gift, this one is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 2. Fityle Whirligig Wind Spinner Battery Motor Kit. Introducing the Fityle Whirligig Motor Kit. This essential set brings your wind spinners to life, ensuring they rotate smoothly and continuously. Each package provides you with 6 battery-operated motors. It also includes 6 matching swivel hooks for easy attachment. These motors are designed to provide a consistent, gentle rotation for your decorative items. They ensure your whirligigs catch the light beautifully, even indoors. Setting them up is incredibly simple. Just attach your favorite spinner to the hook, power it on, and watch it twirl. They are ideal for a wide range of wind spinners, chimes, and other hanging decorations. Bring dynamic movement to any space with these reliable motors. What we like. This convenient pack provides multiple motors to power all your hanging decorations. Each motor comes with a swivel hook for easy setup. If you have several wind spinners or mobiles and desire consistent rotation for all of them, this multi-pack offers great value. What people say. No positive product reviews with details about product works, design, function, feature, or facts were found in the provided source content. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 1. DJUAN Stainless Steel Heart Wind Spinner. This spinner's mirror reflection design makes it truly captivating, unlike ordinary colored ones. Depending on the light and environment, it transforms, adding an elegant and natural touch to any space. Watch as it creates a mesmerizing spinning effect with every breeze. Beyond beauty, it serves a practical purpose. Utilizing wind motion and light reflections, it keeps unwanted birds away from your property. Its bright flashes, created by easy rotation in the breeze, protect your garden, farm, and lawn effectively. Crafted from durable stainless steel using precise laser cutting technology, this spinner is both flexible and strong. It's designed to withstand all weather conditions, from sunny to rainy. Enjoy its strong corrosion, wear, and rust resistance for years to come. Hang it almost anywhere, on lamps, trees, walls, balconies, or in your garden. For days with little wind, you can even pair it with a power-operated motor. This ensures you can always enjoy its beautiful twirling motion. Looking for a thoughtful present? This makes an ideal gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays like Christmas or Mother's Day. Delight your grandparents, family, friends, or neighbors with this unique and beautiful item. What we like. This unique spinner offers both dazzling visual appeal and a practical function. Its reflective surface naturally deters birds from your garden. If you are looking for an elegant way to protect your plants while adding a sparkling decorative touch, this is a smart solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points about the Spinfinity Wind Spinner can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.